Hello, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Tuesday Talks with Tabitha and
Lexi.
yes. So we're going to talk about all the different things that you can incorporate in your home to make your house feel cozy for fall. I get asked this a lot. They're like, what do you think makes your house feel warm and cozy? So I'm Tabitha Yount, owner of Elegant Living, and this is my Lexi.
I'm Lexi. I'm her daughter.
Okay, come on here and tell us hello and tell us where you guys are coming from. And one of our questions today is, tell us what you put in your home that makes you feel like fall has arrived. That is so important because everybody's like, what do you love, Tabitha? I'm going to tell you some of my favorite things for fall. Good morning, Tracy. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, so first one.
Okay, one of the favorite things that I put in every spot because I'm always freezing is a throw blanket. This throw blanket here kind of has like a faint little animal print on it. I absolutely love it. It's so soft, so cozy, and it's a neutral color, so it actually can go in any spot in our house.
Yes.
Doesn't matter what colors are in there.
And you can get some throws in our boutique. We're going to be having some throws in our boutique. You can also, I love to put plaids and things like that, but this is something that could go all until in fall. Well, no, until spring, not fall. You're going to start right now. This is right now, but this is something that could last all season, which I love that. I love pieces that can literally take us from fall and into spring.
Yes.
And like Lexi says, who doesn't love a blanket? If I go to somebody's house and there's a ceiling fan going on and I love a little blanket that I could just throw over my legs. So
yes.
I don't know why I'm having a hard time talking today.
It's okay. Everything's fine.
So that's number one.
Yes, so number two is battery operated candles. I love these. You can set them on a timer for up to 8 to 12 hours.
Yes.
So you just turn them on the time that you want them to start. So if you wanted to start at 5 p.m. every night, you turn them on at 5 p.m. And then they will continuously keep turning on at 5 p.m. and stay on for 8 to 12 hours past that.
Yes, it's an amazing accent. And this too is something that you can leave in your home all season. You can honestly use these all year long, which I love that. But it just gives you that warm glow when you come home, especially the ones that are timed. And it just kind of gives you that warm, welcoming feeling when you come into your home. And I love that all seasons. Doesn't matter what time of year.
Yes.
But as you guys know, the times is changing. It's going to be soon, and it's going to get darker. So that's a great way to have illuminate your home when you come in, and it's such a welcoming feeling.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so for number three, one of our next favorites is to use color. So this is a faux greenery.
Yes, gotta have my color.
It has like our nice little moss ball here. It has some roots sticking out like it had just been growing. It has some nice fall foliage here. We love using these in vignettes and trays and bookshelves,
everywhere.
Mantles. Yes, they are gorgeous. I love the way that they just make it feel like fall is coming inside.
Now, if you guys have vignettes like on your end tables, your bookshelves and stuff like that, let me know. Do you guys have some for fall? I know we talk about everyday kind, but we really need to incorporate some that has more of a fall look. I love to take those basically all your greenery and take it into fall because it just gives you a more welcoming feeling. Now, if you have some evergreens like ferns and things like that, you can still keep them and incorporate them, but just putting something in there that has a little touch of fall just makes everything just like, it's cool again. I don't know.
So wonderful. I think it's just so cozy to have all of these together. So I'll show you them all together one more time.
Yes. Who doesn't love this stuff? Yes.
Yes.
Love all these kind of things. And honestly, decorating is kind of a layering process.
Yes.
You know, there is no rhyme or reason. I know a lot of you guys will have some things that we don't, even think about. So when you're going into your fall, tell us what cozy things you love to put in your house to make it warm and welcoming. Now, I'm going to always go back to this. This is my tried and true thing that I absolutely love is smell goods. I went into a customer's house yesterday. She knows who she is. Thank you, Laura. And she absolutely had the most fabulous smells in her house. And it just smelled like
so good.
It just smelled like fall. I don't know. There's just like a cinnamon. It was like a cinnamon.
Like pumpkin-y,
apple. Oh, it
was like, she even had like different rooms kind of smell like pine and like woody smells. It was just fabulous. I absolutely thought it was wonderful.
It just smelled like fall is arrived at her house. So one of my favorite scents this time of the year, and honestly, this goes all the way into spring as well. I use these all the time. If you're in our scent box, you will be able to get some of these because I have got some fabulous things, and so does Lexi. Some smells. And the crazy thing is Lexi and I have some different smell tastes. So I know everybody does, but we're going to try to hit all of those smells for your home. But one of them is the pine. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
If you don't love pine basically all winter too.
This one's northern pine.
Oh, it smells so good. This is
So good.
Village Candles, but oh my gosh, it's amazing. It just smells so, so good.
It does smell
It has
so
a
good.
2-wick burner here. And it just smells amazing. These are going to be in our boutique as well.
Yes.
And available. Or you can get into our,
Elegant scent box.
yes, and it's a monthly scent box that is sent right to your door. It smells amazing. And we are, honestly, Lexi and I were already looking at the scent box for next month, and it smells fabulous. It smells like fall has arrived.
Smells like when you do this
Gosh,
on
this smells
Facebook.
amazing. We're going to have to
and
burn this.
Yeah, that's what it smells like.
Look. What? I love that. What was that?
I did a reaction. No, you got to do 2 thumbs up.
Oh, it's the thumbs
There we go.
up. Oh, there we
That's
go.
what our scent box smells like when you smell it.
Oh my gosh, it really does. And when I went into our customer's house and she had all the fall smells and she had all of her fall out, it was amazing. And it just inspired me to do mine, which I haven't done yet. And one of the reasons I haven't is because I'm wanting the whole house painted and some refresh. We're going to get some new flooring and things like that. So I've been kind of holding off because, I really want to decorate with it all together. So,
Yes.
Okay. That's basically our coziness that we put into the fall. Even if you're not wanting to decorate a whole bunch for fall, which I don't know why you wouldn't, because we all love those. These are some things that you can incorporate very inexpensively. And yes, fall has arrived.
Perfect.
Yes, perfect. Okay, guys, we are going to run. We are going to go pick up some stuff for the boutique, and
Yes.
we're going to go pick up
Our Christmas decor box stuff.
Yes.
It's already time.
Yeah, it's already time. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.